Yesterday, I made a video to show you how a $1,000 can turn your portfolio into a $1 million portfolio within just few years. And today we are going forward with a $5,000. There are two sources here. The first source tells us the price target is at 382, and that's about 61% upside. But we have another source which is telling us something different. It's telling us that the price target of MSTR is at 514, and that's upside of 116%. So that's a huge. And of course, we know MSTY ETF goes in sync with MSTR stock in pertains to a price. In today's video, we're disregarding this price return in terms of how much the price can go up. We're focusing more just on distributions because this is a series about showing you how much you can invest in your portfolio from this amount to be a millionaire. How long is it going to take you? Yesterday, we started with $1,000. Today, we are going to $5,000. So I'm going to show you, if you invested $5,000 today, how much your portfolio will turn into $1 million portfolio using the distribution that we have. First thing we are looking here, all distributions that they've been paying. The last distribution they paid was on March 14th, 2025, and next distribution is coming out tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be announcement, and they're going to pay on Friday. Distribution average, they paid $2.77. Altogether, they've paid $33.19. If we took those numbers on average distribution, they paid at $2.77 at the price of today, which is $16.76. As aftermarket, that's 197%. So we round up to 198. With the last distribution that they paid, that was $1.38. With the price of today, that's a yield of 98.63. So we round up to 99%. Having this much yield, how long, if you invested just $5,000, will turn your portfolio into a $1 million portfolio? So we're going to look at two ways. The first way is going to be on average distributions, how long is it going to take you with just $5,000. And the second method we're going to look is using a last distribution that they just paid. And of course, they're going to pay next distribution. We don't know exactly how much they're going to pay next. It might be $1.20, $2, $4. But I'm going to keep you up to date on that. And that's the main reason why you always don't want to miss this type of update. And if you don't want to miss, guess what you have to do? Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button so you can always receive this type of update. And of course, if you like this type of content, what I do here, make sure you smash the like button. Now let's go to actual calculation. The first one, we're looking at 198%. This is based on the average distributions, which is $2.77. So if you invested on $5,000, the first year you're going to receive $9,900 based on average distribution. If you invested that amount back to your portfolio, within third year you're going to have $34,000, and then fast forward 8th year your portfolio is going to be $1,107,000. You have made it. At that point, your distribution or annual distribution for that year is going to be almost $300,000. And this is a math where you take all your distributions, right, you are receiving here, you buy more shares and provide the share stay at the same price at $16.93 to $17. But of course, if the share price increases, then you're going to get less shares and therefore less distributions. Now, the second method we're going to use is on last distribution they paid, and that was at $1.38. That's give us a yield of 99%. If you invested $5,000 today, your first year, you're going to receive $4,950 in distribution. And it's going to take you a little bit longer. Remember, the first method we look, just 8th year, your portfolio is going to be $1 million, 100,000. Now, with this method, within 8th year, your portfolio is only going to be 300,000. Your dividends are huge, 89,000. You will be able to retire within just 8th year with this method at 99%. But now, if we let that money continue grow and reinvest all your distribution, it's going to take you 13 years. Your portfolio is going to be at 1,281,000. Both methods will get you to $1 million portfolio with just $5,000. But the first method, if we use average distribution, then that's going to be fastest way. If you use this other math, is going to take you a little bit longer. Nevertheless, both ways are just assumption that the stock price or the ETF price will stay at around the same price or a little bit above or lower, and distribution will remain between average or between last distribution, so $1.38 to like a $2. If there are any changes in stock price and also distribution, this will affect this math. This is just based on the number that we have right now. This is just a guidance and scenario to show you how you can actually invest only $5,000 in MSTY with this market crash to make you a millionaire within just 8 years. If you find value in this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you don't want to miss this type of guidance and this type of income series, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so you can always receive new updates whenever I release them. So that's all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on next video that I'm going to release very soon. Bye bye.